In this video, I will show you how to customize a motion array template. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. Log into Motion Array and search for the template that you would like to download. So I'm looking for a logo reveal for Adobe Premiere Pro. On the left, you will find filters that can help refine your search. Toggle your mouse over the template to see a short preview. Once you find the logo that you like, simply select Download. And once your file has downloaded, unzip that file. Open that newly unzipped file and look for the project file. Open it into Premiere Pro. You will then find that project in your timeline. Double-click on it to make the necessary changes. So if you go to Image, you can then delete the template image and add your own image or logo. You'll now see that my logo has been added and customized to this template. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.